Let's walk into this crawl space and look at poly-B piping. Poly-B piping was used in older homes in the late 90s, and there have been cases in North America where some of them leak, and the best way to check for them is off of your hot water tank or any pipes. And look, the gray is a dead giveaway, and sometimes you can see it's written right on there, Poly-B. Yep, I see it. Can you see it? So it says Poly-B. See, Poly-B piping. And with poly-B piping, what happens is that this piping, when it was manufactured, they didn't know of it back then, but over the years, and it's been a few decades since they were first introduced on the marketplace, some of them develop pinhole pricks. So basically means it'll leak over time. There's a potential for it to leak. But the good news is when it leaks, it's not like bang all at once, everything's flooded. It starts with pinhole-sized little holes, so it's going to be gradual, so you can detect it. So in this house, it's located in the crawl space. This is easy to replace just because, you know, all this stuff can be easily accessed by this crawl space. So you just switch this out, and something like this would, for example, go up to the sink. So you just change that. It's relatively easy if it's open like this.